we're going to teach you how to make a jumping robot. In order to make a jumping robot, you'll need wiring, tape, a motor, a battery cap, an on and off switch, and some wires. When you connect these together, you can just wire them together, but to make it more stable, you can use a solder. And for the wheels, you'll need 4 small popsicle sticks, 1 big popsicle stick, and for the wheel, you can use a PVC or a cardboard ring. When you use the cardboard ring, you can saw this, and then you'll have a ring like this. The motor has 2 connecting parts. These are rings. You get 1 wire, use a tool like this, bend, and put them onto the motor. Okay, now you get the other wire. Now we get the wire tape. Now get the battery cap and the battery. Put the battery cap on the battery. Okay, now we're going to test if the motor can work. Put the red and red strings together and the black and black strings together. We get the switch. This will be like this, and then we're going to put this like this like that. And then when we turn it on, it'll move. Now we're going to solder them together. Now we connected all the electrical parts. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. We connected the motor to the switch to the battery, and the battery to the motor. Now you can use the wire tape to tape all the connecting parts. Then use a popsicle stick. Put the popsicle stick between the motor and the battery. The popsicle stick will help the machine balance. Now we'll use the duct tape to wrap. Now we're done wrapping it. You have to put the switch either on the top or on the back. Otherwise, if you put it on the side, it'll interrupt the wheel from spinning. Now let's test it. We are going to cut the cardboard tube for the wheel. Here is the ring we just sawed. We are going to cut it in half with a PVC cutter. After we cut our wheels, we'll get our 4 popsicle sticks. We'll get 2 popsicle sticks, put it on both sides of our wheels, and from the other side of the popsicle sticks, we'll hot glue it onto the motor. So when the motor spins, the wheel will spin too. After we glued the wheels onto the motor, we can test it. Good, it works.
After we make the robot, we can paint it. You can make any decorations on your robot. You can make plants, animals, but I'm making the alien. Let's test. Now we can test it on the floor.